No, but we, hold on, it'll come to me. Yeah.
Okay, for the... Okay, for real this time. Hey guys, I'm Tori.
I'm Amber.
And today we're doing a thrift with me.
Yeah, Christmas shopping broke us, so
We're poor.
we decided to hit up Goodwill.
So, wish us luck. Let's hope we find some stuff and let's get into it.
Also, disclaimer, we're not sure if we're allowed to film in here, so we're using our phones, because if we brought in like a big camera, I'm sure that would be like really suspicious.
So if the quality looks broke, just know.
We are.
We're so scared. There's people literally just like next to my car.
Like we don't know what's going on.
We're at the thrift store. We left the other one because people were acting like it was Black Friday and like waiting outside.
They were lining up. Yeah, it was so weird.
Before the store was even open. But this
I'm scared to look over.
We're gonna get in and out of here, so let's go in. Oh, I have my card. So we made it in. This is really weird. It smells like a grandma's house. Yes. Hey. So we're gonna look at some mom jeans, because that's always a good idea. I'm gonna keep my head down. Let's get it.
I don't wear jeans, so.
Do you want to wear? Sure. These are big. Very big. We suck at this.
No.
I want to apologize sincerely. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. Maybe go to the guys, I guess. So we're going to the men's. There's so many people. I'm scared. Here we go. So, I'm just starting to think that our town's not good for thrifting, because the cutest thing I found was a Bernie shirt. Help. Amber looked over at me, she said, Tori, I can't do this anymore. I can't do this. Craig Fitzgerald for governor. Cute. So we decided we couldn't do that anymore, that we didn't want to play ourselves like that. So we are going to head to another Goodwill and wish us luck. Let's get out of here.
That was so bad, y'all.
That was so horrible. It was just, that was so dirty. Like, I'm not even like, that was just dirty. Like, I felt like a rat was gonna crawl at the floor. It was disgusting. And it was just like, it was like old people everywhere.
No, and like literally I felt like every time I pulled my phone out, like I was just being judged. So like
people kept looking at me talking to my phone.
So that was our first failed attempt.
Hey guys, so we're at the other Goodwill and we just want to take a minute and say, if you like our video or you like us, please subscribe.
Even if you don't like us, please subscribe still.
Also, if you have any video ideas, just comment those down below too. I know Amber's gonna do a vlog, a 3-day vlog
in February for something that I'm going to be attending, so stay tuned for that.
I'm gonna do a curly hair routine because this is a mess. And I think we're gonna do a college night routine.
And then I guess, day in the life.
Whatever else, yeah.
You
guys seem to like the drive with me, so if you really liked that, give it a thumbs up and comment and tell us. So whatever y'all like, just let us know. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe.
Please.
All right, let's go in. We're back in. We're right by the checkout, so we're gonna be quiet while we look at some jeans. There's hella people in here. This one smells good, so thank you for that. I want mom jeans. I'm looking for some mom jeans, really hardcore.
So Tori's looking for some mom jeans still.
Ugh, we have no luck. These are larges. The shorts are they're kids. Well, never mind. Do y'all see this? Like, what am I supposed to do with these? Like, I can't style any of this. What am I gonna do with that? Like, what?
I feel like I'd wear this to church.
Like, this looks like a picnic table. Like, what am I really gonna...
A picnic?
I can't do anything with this. Should I buy a tennis skirt? Yo, these have the little strap on them. These have the strap on them. They're boot cuts, damn it. Here's some Hollister. So clean. Okay, that was kind of a miss. We'll go somewhere else. Well, not like another store, but like we'll go look. Why does everybody have these damn maternity pants? I went to this Outreach thrift store one time, and it's like a high-class thrift store, and it was so poppin'. It had like all types of jeans that I wanted, but this is the McDonald's of thrifting. Like, what is this?
Hey guys, so there's this jacket that I really want, but it's $20 and no thank you. See, it's so cute.
Okay, why is
I want it. So anyways, it's cute and I want it, but it's $20, so I guess I'll just have to wait.
This is just so sweet. Why do you hold it down?
Because I have to get it tied, okay?
It's so loose.
You know what? You tie your own shoe in.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
That was so mean.
I'm just kidding.
The air has kicked on earlier or something. Amber keeps leaving. We want to try things on for y'all, but there is literally nothing to try on here. This is so bad. So we tried to thrift. I really want y'all to know that from the bottom of my heart that we really did try.
I'm just so hungry.
Okay, we tried. Kids are crying. We can't find shit. This is so bad. Amber, let's look at the knickknacks. Okay, she's kind of cute. She's kind of cute. She's kind of cute. She's kind of cute.
I need her.
She's kind of cute too.
I had this one.
That's what we thrifted. Oh my god. This is so clean. People are looking at me. I know I'm ugly. So I'm gonna continue. Tired as a mother. Cute. Oh my god, there's 3 of them. Oh my god, there's 4 of them. I can't wait to get kicked out for filming. We have to find something. Why don't you look at some things?
Because there's nothing to look at.
Well, thank you for coming thrifting with us. We're shit. We are leaving. That was so bad. Thank y'all for coming thrifting with us. Thank you. That was so bad. We can't thrift for the life of us.
It's that there was just nothing there.
Yeah. It's just hard to thrift. It was like, there was nothing. Like she said, there was nothing. Amber, the thumbnail. Oh shit, my hair.
Should I take it?
Okay, I think we got it. Thanks for watching our failed thrift with me.
We tried, we really did.
If you liked this video, like, comment, subscribe.
And if you want to follow us on social media, do that as well.
We'll be back with another video next week.
Hopefully it'll not be.
It'll top this one, definitely.
Don't y'all worry about it.
Yeah, it's not. I mean, nothing can be as bad as this.
This was so bad. Like, I feel so
I think
bad
our
for y'all.
cooking video topped this.
No, our cooking video topped this, and that was
tragic.
Yeah, so we are so sorry. I'm so disappointed because usually you can find good stuff at thrift stores, and there was just
Nothing.
nothing
Like, not even a
there.
hoodie.
No, literally, like, I wish I was lying, but like there was nothing there.
It was like all pants that were like too big, or like they looked like too worn. Like it
And like the
didn't-
t-shirts just like
There were stains, they were rips, they were old.
was
Like, it
just
wasn't
so
even like a cool vintage old. It was just like it looked like it needed to be thrown away.
Yeah.
Like, there was nothing here. And there was nothing at the other one. So
if you ever need to go thrifting, don't come here.
maybe we'll have better luck in Nashville. Maybe we'll try that before we leave or when we come back.
Maybe.
We'll see. So, thank y'all for watching.
Stay tuned for a new video next week.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.